Hey y'all, I am back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all how I do my latest wash and go using some oldies but goodies. These products have been out for a while and I'm just now trying this gel out and I really like it, but I've been using the As I Am products for years now. But I wanted to come on and show you all my latest wash and go and what products I've been using together that gives me a really good moisturized and shiny wash and go. So if you want to see how I turn this to that, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is my freshly washed hair and it's already been kind of drying in the towel for a little bit, and I use the TreSemme Undone conditioner and the Giovanni shampoo, and so I'm going to go ahead and put it in sections, and I have my spray bottle here with water in it, and I'm going to be spraying each section to get it soaking wet so that these products can soak through. And I'm actually going to be showing you my product that I'm using. Okay, so because y'all know I like to do things really quick, I don't have time for all these extra sections, so it's late right now because I like to do my hair late, so it's almost midnight. Yes, so I decided to film this, but I have two big sections in the back and I have one section up here. So we're going to start with this section back here, and this is what my naked hair looks like with nothing on it. So I'm going to wet it some more with my water, and we're going to be putting in the As I Am leave-in conditioner and the As I Am moisture milk. I'm going to put this one in first. The leave-in conditioner is a lot like the Kinky Curly Knot Today. It's really light and it won't weigh your hair down. It's very moisturizing, and this moisture milk is going to go on top of this one because this one's a little bit thicker and it has a lot of more oils in it. And I'm also going to add my sweet almond oil on top to help seal in all the moisture from both of these. And so once I do that, I'm actually going to go in with this Wetline Xtreme styling gel. This had really good reviews, so I'm going to try this out and see how it goes. That's my first time using it, but I tried it on like a piece of my hair before I washed it on top of these products just to see if it was going to give me that crusty white stuff, and it didn't. It slicked like a really frizzy part of my hair down before I washed it. And I was like, oh yeah, that's gonna be good. I normally use these two either with my Echo Styler gel, or which I'm out of it, the gel that comes with this, the curling jelly, and it's really good. I have to get more of that. So enough babbling, let's get started. I put this towel around my shoulders because I'm about to wet my hair. And Parker is sleeping right now. If you can see him. He's been sick, y'all. I have not had a chance to film because my baby had pneumonia all last week, so please pray for him. He is getting better. He's getting so much better with the medicine they prescribed for him. But yeah, just keep him in your prayers. He's a really strong baby, and I'm just so happy that he took his medicine like a champ. It must have tasted good to him. I think it was sweet, but I'm just glad to know he's doing better. And so now I'm able to kind of make time to film more content for you all to watch. I'm really hoping that you all are enjoying it so far. So you definitely want to get your hair back soaking wet again. My hair has gotten so long. So we're first gonna go in with the leave-in. That much. And I usually just use my fingers to rake it through my hair. I'm gonna add a little bit more since this is a big section. Now we're going in with the moisture milk, and it's like a creamy white. The leave-in is more like a clear gel looking consistency. I'm gonna go on top of that with this. And I have low porosity hair, so I always like to just keep rubbing product in until it kind of disappears before I put my gel on there. See how it's kind of white, but the more I rub it, it's soaking into my hair. That's that section. I'm gonna try to stand up so you can see it better. Now we're gonna add the gel. Apparently this is an oldie but goodie. We're gonna see. It looks like that. Just a clear It's kind of thick in consistency. So we're just gonna go in and just add that to my hair. And then I'm going to start shingling it like so. Kind of let pieces just kind of drop as they naturally do. Okay, that's that section. So what I usually do when I'm done with the section is I'll take one of these clamps. I'll take a couple of those clamps and I'll squeeze my hair together and put one at the top and one towards the bottom. And that kind of stretches it as it's drying. Moving on to the next section. So I'm gonna wet that side down. So have y'all been watching any new shows? Have y'all been checking out that show with Angela Bassett called 911? That show was pretty good. I didn't think it was gonna be that good, but yeah. We've been tuned in. I'm pretty sad that my web series that I like here on YouTube called Tough Love is coming to an end. That show was so good. I've been watching the spinoff of Blackish called Grownish with their daughter, Yara Your City. I don't want to mess up her last name, but yeah, that show is, her little show has been good, called Grownish. I've been watching The Quad. It's back on BET. That's a good show. If you haven't seen that, check it out. If you have, let's talk about it in the comment section below. And we're gonna go with the gel. I'll be so glad when flu season is over. It's like everybody's sick, and I ain't got time for that. My poor baby's sick. I've been taking vitamin C vitamins and drinking orange juice and pretty much trying to keep from getting sick again, because I was so sick just like a couple months ago and lost my voice completely. I ain't trying to go through that again. So yep, as you can see, I just kind of shingle it, pull pieces out and smooth it. And I just realized I need to add my sweet almond oil on top to help with any crunch that I make here. So I'm gonna rub that over, just over the top like so. Shake it. Yep, I'm gonna put some on the side too because I forgot, girl, it's late. I forgot all about it. Definitely want to put an oil on your hair if you can, if your hair takes, my hair is fine, but I want to use just a little bit of oil. I'm not really trying to weigh it down. But almond oil is light, so it's not gonna weigh it down. I haven't done a wash and go in so long, y'all. I've been doing twist outs, buns, keeping it straight, because I really don't have time for these single strand knots for these wash and goes. But I figure since I haven't done one in a while, I'll go ahead and do one since my hair is longer and see what happens. I don't have time for these wash and goes, man. But hopefully with this product combo, I've been trying different product combos. I'm gonna start doing videos just showing y'all what concoction I'm putting together next for these different wash and goes and twist outs, because I'm always mixing and matching all my conditioners and leave-ins and gels and trying to see if this go good with that. And sometimes I find good stuff and sometimes it's like that's gonna be a no for me, dog. But this combo, it's been pretty good. As you can see, it looks moisturized, it feels soft, it looks shiny. We're gonna see how it looks when it dries tomorrow, because I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna get up and film me with it completely dry, because it takes my hair
2,000 years
to dry. And so hopefully in the morning it'll be dry, because I'm not diffusing. I'm just gonna try to let it completely air dry. So now we're gonna get started with the top. Now with the top, I try to figure out how I want to style my hair. That'd be my biggest thing, trying to come up with different styles for my hair, because I really don't want to wear it the same way. Usually when I do wear my hair the same way, it's in a bun for a whole week, because I just don't have the time to be dealing with my hair every day. So I was asked to do a tutorial on the little hairstyle I had on my last video with the braid. And so what I had was a deep part, and I just put a braid going across, and it was just down and fluffed out. So I think I might do that. If you want to see that, should I do that? Or should I just do just a deep part and that's it? Decisions. I don't know. As I think about it, let's talk about this new lip gloss that I just bought. It is by Black Radiance, y'all, and it is poppin'. And do you see that shine? This is Black Radiance Brilliant Effects, and since I tore the thing off, I think it's called Love Spell. Y'all, I love this stuff. $3, and it's not sticky. I mean, it's just so nice. Okay, so now let's figure this thing out. I'm gonna go ahead. Did I even bring my comb? I didn't bring my rat tail comb in here, so it's okay. We're just gonna use my fingernail. I don't really like blunt parts anyway. I usually just do just like a regular part with my finger and let that be enough. Let's go ahead and just kind of pin this side. Go ahead and start this side. Excuse me, I'm all over the place. But y'all know how I do. And I'm gonna use Echo Styler for my edges. I don't know how this wet line gonna do with on my edges. I'ma see. But y'all know Echo comes through for the edges. Although, you know, they say Echo can break your edges off. Echo didn't break my edges off. My pregnancy broke these edges off. Ever since I had him, like my hair has been breaking up here. Or it could be from me wearing buns, who knows? But it's slowly but surely starting to grow back. Thank the Lord. Marshmallow oozing out. We not gonna even talk about what that look like. But yep, smooth that on top. It's about time for me to start looking for newer products, like stuff that's just now coming out. So many brands are making like newer lines of products that I want to try. Like As I Am has a new Luxe line out. I do want to eventually get around to trying that out, because I must admit I am a product junkie. I buy everything new when it comes to hair products. You don't even want to see all the products I have in my bathroom. So the order I was meant to do in the back when I forgot was I'm gonna go ahead with my oil before I put the gel. That's what I meant to do in the back, but we're gonna do it up here. I'll put the gel on last. Like I said, to slick and smooth this down, I'm gonna use my Eco Styler gel. This ain't really smoothing it. Try to get those roots, which I kind of like my roots to be a little puffy because I get more volume that way. If I completely slick my roots down, then my hair would be just, and I don't want that. I want big volume. That's why I don't do too much smoothing in the roots. That's that side. And so now, while we over here, I'm gonna go ahead and slick my edges with my Eco Styler gel and my crusty dusty toothbrush that I use just for my edges. Just brush. I'm gonna take my clamps. Now, last section. I gotta get back on my meal prep videos, y'all. Been running out of ideas of what to cook, so we've been pretty much kind of eating the same stuff in rotation. I need to get on Pinterest to look for some new stuff for us to eat, new recipes. Oh yeah, I haven't even updated y'all on that fast. Yeah, we didn't make it. He went longer than me though. He did like a week and a half or something like that, and I only did like a week. Yeah, I did a week and he did like a week and a half. I was having withdrawal, man. I needed my hamburgers and my chicken wings. Sad to say. You vegans, I mean, y'all are strong. I ain't no way. I don't see how y'all do it. Like, I need meat. My body was just, I was feeling so weak. My body just couldn't get used to that. I couldn't get jiggy with that, man. So I tip my hat off to y'all vegans and vegetarians, because I truly don't see how y'all live that way. No judgment here, but I just can't do it. It ain't for me. It's not for me. But yep, back to my meal prepping videos. Once I come with some new recipes, I'll get back to making videos for my meal prepping. I need some ideas, man. Gotta turn my creative cap on. So now we're gonna put the gel on. Okay, so we're gonna just make the section that I'm going to be braiding. You just want to take 3 little pieces and detangle so it can make it easier to braid. So you just want to braid this all the way down. And then when I get close to the bottom, I just twirl it around my fingers. So this is what I did for that hairstyle. Then you're just going to take it. Let's first lay our edges down with our Eco Styler gel. Then you're gonna take a bobby pin, and what I did was I just took the braid. This part's gonna be down. I just have a clip on it now to help keep it stretched, but you wanna just take this. I just kind of had it like this, kind of draped, and you're gonna wanna pin that in the back here. And then just kind of lay it down like that. And that's pretty much all I did. Then once it's dry, fluff it out, and that's it. To go to sleep, what I'm going to do is take out my clips. And I don't pineapple my hair anymore because whenever I take it down, my sides be really straight. So my hair is too fine to do pineapple, so I don't do those anymore. I do either a low pony or I just leave it all down and tie it down with my scarf, which right now I'm gonna do a low pony. Then put my scarf on, and then I will see you all in the morning to see the final results. So let me show you how I do that. So you're just trying to take all your hair and just push it to the back like this. Or you want to take one of your hair ties and I just push it to the back. And you just put that on one time. You just tie your scarf on there underneath the ponytail. Alright, so I will see you all in the morning. I hope you enjoyed this far. And if you're still watching, let me know in the comments that you enjoyed this video and it's helping you all with your wash and goes. And if you are trying this technique with your wash and go, I hope it's working for you. So I'm getting ready to finally go to sleep now. It's 12:20 a.m. and I will see you all in the morning. Good night. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and my hair is completely dry. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take the braid down so that I can fluff my hair some more. And just kind of move that out of the way. I'm going to push this side behind my ear and just fluff it out. And it's not crunchy, it's really soft, and it does have movement. So that combo was really good. I want more volume, but the way my hair lays, it lays down instead of out. So it's all I can do to try to get volume in my roots. But that's all I did, you guys. So after you fluff it, you want to take your braid, and I just laid it kind of down. And you're going to pin it back there again. You want to push the pin into your hair so you don't see it anymore. And then I just kind of pull some hair over that. So this is the completed look. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you all so much for watching and tuning into my channel. If you have any video requests, leave them for me down below and I will be sure to work on that, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.